When to use DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is a crucial decision that can significantly impact the performance and scalability of your application. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you make an informed decision. Firstly, it is essential to understand what DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is. It is a cloud-based service that allows you to easily deploy and manage MongoDB databases in the cloud. With Managed MongoDB, you can offload the administrative tasks such as provisioning and scaling to DigitalOcean and focus on developing your application. Now let us discuss when to use DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB. If you are building a modern web or mobile application that requires a flexible and scalable database, then Managed MongoDB is a great choice. It supports a wide range of data formats and provides high performance and low latency. Another scenario where Managed MongoDB is useful is when you need to handle large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that is designed to handle such data and provides a flexible schema that can adapt to changing data structures. If you are looking to reduce the administrative burden of managing a MongoDB database, then Managed MongoDB is a good option. It provides automated patching and upgrades, backup and restore, and monitoring and alerting. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use Managed MongoDB when you need to deploy a MongoDB database in a cloud environment. It is also a good idea to use it when you need to integrate MongoDB with other DigitalOcean services such as load balancers and block storage. To get started with DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and navigate to the Managed MongoDB section. From there you can create a new MongoDB cluster and configure the settings as per your requirements. In conclusion, DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is a powerful service that can help you easily deploy and manage MongoDB databases in the cloud. By understanding when to use it and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of your application and improve its performance and scalability.